Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another video. Today's video is Animal Jam. Today I am giving Moon Mel time. Plus I'm giving a shout out to Sky Miller and Autumn 35. They are really nice people. Well, Sky Miller, Autumn 35, she's nice. And she gave me a spike today. Like, it's a short blue, I think. Yeah, short blue. Not a long blue, but just short blue. Yeah, short blue. She gave me a short blue. And she also gave me a headdress. It's a rare headdress, purple and white. Yeah, so today I'm doing a daily spin. Let's do the daily spin, guys. I got a friend request from Ice Cube. Should I accept it? Because I'm in the middle of recording. I don't know what to do. I'm just kidding, guys. Sky Miller Autumn 35 is actually me. No one is actually me. So I'm not giving a shout out to. Just kidding. Because that's me. Why would I give myself a shout out? Oh, I got a jamagram. Let's see who gave me this nice little jamagram. Thank you. I love you guys. Let's see who is it. Who is it? You got a buddy request from Pedigo123. That's my cousin. Oh my. I think, actually not my cousin, yeah. He's my nephew. Yeah. He's my nephew. This is my nephew. Okay, I accepted it.